Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit videos with Clideo. In order to do that, just head over and then sign up on Clideo using your Google or your email or Apple in here. I'll head over and then use in here my email and then click on this continue right here in order to successfully install or use in here my email. From in there, click on this create projects and then just choose in here this video editor right here. Now, once you click on that, you should be able to see in here the Clideo editor. So just click on this upload option right here in order to add the uploaded video that you want to use. For example, let's use this beautiful sunrise. And then as you can see, this will upload that and you can see it right here. So you can see in here that we also have a lot more settings that you can choose from. So when you hover to a specific part, you can head over and then split it. And then you can remove some parts in here as well, and you can remove that totally and move them around in here as well already. You can also add some transitions if you want to for this case. Now in here you can see the canvas, so you can add some widescreen as well, and you can also add some audios that you can choose from. For example, let's add this Price of Freedom. You can play that first. If you are satisfied with it, you can head over and add this right here to your timeline in order to successfully put this on your editor. Now in here you can also see in here the videos. You can search for stock videos that you can choose from, and also you can add some images. Now the best thing you can have for this is the elements. So on these elements you can add some stickers, some emojis, and you can also put in here some record as well as this TS right here. So once you're done with that, just head over and click on this export right here in order to successfully export your videos with Clideo. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.